Hi guys, welcome to Crypto B101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And a lot has been happening in the crypto space, and that's why I'm bringing the headlines and what you need to know talking about the crypto updates. My name still remains the same. I made a large Magic Kazim, and these are headlines. We can see right here, investing in Bitcoin still makes sense, says Tom Lee, in case you're thinking you're late in investment in the crypto space. You are not late. I think you're still early because we're in the bear market right now. Okay, let's go on. Despite crypto winter, Bitwise filed for Bitcoin futures ETF in United States, and we can see Bitcoin addresses holding at least one BTC close to 1 million now, and we can see Bitcoin's new worst case scenario put BTC bear market bottom near 6,000. Are we going to go to 6,000? You need to stick to the channel. Let's go on. And we can see Bitcoin mining revenue lowest in 2 years. Hash rate on decline. Oh my God, that is serious. And we can see Amazon reportedly making a docu-series on FTX's collapse. And also we can see crypto fame spent 600,000 US dollars to create a half Elon Musk and half gold status. That is crazy, if you may ask me. Crypto exchange BitGet expand to Africa, plans to hire 400 new workers. You might want to check that out. Analysts confirm GBTC's 633,000 Bitcoin claim despite Grayscale reluctant to share proof of reserves. We all know they don't want to share proof of reserve because they're saying it's because of security, but now they confirm they do have it. And I think CZ is wrong. All right, let's move on. Solana Foundation lost over 180 million in crypto on FTX. That is insane. Crypto Twitter calls for calm after rap ETH insolvency joke goes viral on Twitter. We need to be careful. El Salvador launches a national Bitcoin office, ONBTC. And also, we can see right here that Putin calls for blockchain based international payment system. Also, we can see American regulator to investigate Genesis and other crypto fame, and Binance proof of reserve is pointless without liabilities, cracking CEO. And I think I agree with that because proof of reserve doesn't shows your liability, and if you have more liability than your reserves, it's pointless. All right, let's go on. Binance Safo Insurance Fund is 44% backed by its own token. I covered this on our show. If you've not seen our show, you might want to check it out. The Bitcoin and Breakfast show, where we discuss a lot of things. And I talked about Binance Safo Insurance Fund backed with their own Binance token. It's the same thing FTT did with Alameda Research, backing whatever money they've used with their own token. Binance is doing the same. Nobody is a saint in this crypto space. Everybody is just chasing clout and try to look after their own exchanges. You need to be careful. Let's go on. Binance published official Mercury base of proof reserve. Is the same thing showing their tower. They are reserving their own token. Also, we can see right here, user can now verify Bitcoin they own on Binance via Mercury. ApeCoin geoblocks US stakers. 2 Ape sells for 1 million each. Marketplace launched. Another this thing on the radar is trouble in Bahamas following FTX collapse. And I think there's more troubles as we see BitBoy Crypto going crazy over Sam Bankman-Fried going to his house and sharing people's private property. And I think that is disgrace to crypto space. Let's go back to the headline and see what do we have. Turkey seizes FTX assets in countries amid in the country, sorry. FTX in their country amid the ongoing investigation. Elon Musk believes Sam Bankman-Fried is better at bribing media outlet than running FTX. Attorney General of Bahamas defends its crypto savvy in wake of FTX crash. we need to get that into skull. Another headline, another news on our radar is Crypto Cyber Monday deals for your shopping list. Black Friday might be over, but Crypto Cyber Monday, it's on. You might want to get some day out of the shop dealing with cryptos. CME, Ed appears to say he bribes CTFC officials. Also, Dogecoin gets double digits Black Friday pump. We can see several US states open investigation into crypto lender Genesis. Also, Binance removed trading pairs for Solana-based exchange Serum token. And talking about NFT, US ApeCoin holders blocked from official staking website. That's all I have for you on today's headlines and talking about crypto updates. My name still remains the same. Ahmed Olad Magic Kazim. If you like what we're bringing to you on this channel, you might want to subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell until I catch you on another wonderful episode of Crypto Update and the headlines. This is Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. Peace out.